So I spotted this house on my drive today. Figured I'd make a video tour of it and walk around the outside of it. And there is a little cottage or something back there too. And I'll go take a look at that today too. But you can see the barn is completely demolished pretty much, which is pretty cool to look at. Some pretty neat photos. Hear a hunter or something out in the woods. But as you can see, the doors are pretty much open. Let's take a look over here. I'm testing out my new iPhone 11 on the video features, and sometimes these videos seem to get a little too much detail, too high def, I think. But pretty cool. Let's see if the door is open back here. Alright, well, the door is open. Looks pretty abandoned to me. So, not the best way to secure a house, I guess. Looks like they left in a hurry. Man, a lot of debris down here. Well, let's take a sneak peek here and see what this place is all about. Kind of creepy. Wow. Old piano. Looks like the ceilings are all coming down. Look at that hardwood underneath. A beautiful home to start to restore. But I think it's almost too far gone. If anyone knows the story of kind of what happened to this house, I've been driving by it for a long time now, a number of years, and it's kind of been like this, as far as I know, for a long time. You can see by the wood, this house must have been built in over 100 years ago. There's another piano. It's a little dark in here. Let's see if I can trust this staircase. Looks creepy. Creepy and perfect to explore, right? Look at that antique armoire. Dresser of some kind. Lots of mold in here too. You can hear some of the windows got smashed in. There's a bedroom. Must be a kid's room or something. There's another nice antique. That roof is gone. Well, feels pretty haunted in here. Yeah, they left in a hurry, didn't they? Alright, so check this place out too. Looks like it was attached to the property originally. And probably maybe a cottage or staff. If they had maids or something. There's an old well. Missing its cap. Hello! Look at all the water. A lot of water around here. Good thing about Canada. Check this place out.
Oh my god.
Floor's a little cavey-in-y.
People come in here, I think.
Yeah, isn't that cool? Reminds me of Maud Lewis's house.